Second round. Gotta catch this Caprice here. He got me. I went an 879 dead on. He must have got me on the tree. Woo!
Grandpa stole Grandma's car.
Boy, he
Drive,
did.
right?
Woo!
He left his race car at home, though.
Yep. Oh man, it was at the dang tree. He had a 144 to my 257. It's alright. Made it to the quarterfinals. 879. Dial in, went 879 with a 0. Went a 202 with a 0, 60 foot. 80.52 on the mile an hour. But yeah, he was pretty dang close to his. He was nailing it. We do appreciate everybody helping us out this year and getting it going with Mama's Toy, Little Boy Blue. Mama's Toy 2 with the Chevrolet SS with Philip Madden and Are You Quicker is coming out pretty soon too.